I'm sorry guys, you're ugly. Hey, somebody had to tell you. Gentlemen, in today's video, 10 things that are making you unattractive and how to fix them. First up on the list of things that make you ugly, having a bad attitude, being mean, being grouchy, being someone that no one wants to be around. If you're a sourpuss, understand people don't want to hang around you, and your attractiveness levels are actually going to go down. So some proof to back up this point, let's go to a 2014 study out of China in which they laid out photos and they attached different words to the same photo. Everything is the same except the words that were attached to the photo. So this person is decent. This person is friendly. This person is nice. This person is mean. Consistently, if that person was marked as mean, even though it was the same photo that they would see with another word, they would rate that person as less attractive. Habit number 2 that's making you ugly, not getting enough sleep. Now, what is enough sleep? That depends on the person. You need to get quality sleep and you need to get enough of it. Most people are walking through the day with sleep fatigue, yes. And this is based off a 2013 study where they actually looked at all of these people and they looked at them at what makes this person unattractive. It was the skin. It was the eye, the bag, basically the bags right here under the eyes. Things like this are making you unattractive. So make sure to get your sleep and take care of your skin. Now, in addition to a good night's sleep, to maintain healthy, attractive, great-looking skin, you want to drink a lot of water. You want to eat healthy foods. You want to protect your skin from the elements, and you want to use skincare products which actually work. Now, if you're looking for the best skincare system on the planet, one that's affordable, one that's of high quality, one that is uncomplicated, guys, Tiege Hanley is what you're looking for. They're the paid sponsor of today's video, and I have known these guys since the very beginning. Kelly, Rob, Aaron, they are my good friends. I have met the chemist. I know the guys behind this amazing product. And let me talk about affordability. I would challenge you to go to your pharmacy, go out there and try to piece this together. Wherever you may, you're not going to be able to touch the price that they are able to put all this together and deliver it right to your door in a subscription service. And let's talk about the quality. So like I said, I know the chemist. I have seen them go back and forth and actually put in these products. They went and they did all that research. These guys have done an amazing job with a quality product. I'm going to link down in the description to Tiege Hanley. This link right here is going to have an amazing deal, guys. I'm always so proud of these guys because I was with them since the idea and I saw them, it was all about making it uncomplicated. I remember talking to them about this card and actually going back and forth saying, you guys should change that, or that's really easy to understand. Really, this is their system. This is their level 1. So, for a guy maybe in your 20s, your early 30s, and you just want protection. Their AM, it's got a little bit of sunblock, which is what's needed to protect you from those rays. Then in the PM, doesn't have that, but it still has a lot of moisturizer. They've got their wash in their scrub. Let's say you're getting those bags underneath the eyes. They've actually got that right here in the eyes. That comes with System 2. Then System 3, if you're starting to age a bit. Guys, they've got you covered. Great company, proud to support them. Again, linking down in the description. Habit number 3 that's making you ugly, bad table manners. So this is based off a 2014 study coming out of England, and they found that 86% of women would turn down a second date with a man if in the first date he showed very bad table manners. For them, it's a sign of other qualities and bad qualities that are to come. So guys, make sure that you know and you practice good table manners. Bad habit number 4, which makes you unattractive, poor grammar. So who would have thought that grammar was that important? But guys, this is based off a Match.com study in which they asked 5,000 people, what really makes a profile look bad? And they gave all these different options, and they were surprised that bad grammar outranked everything. It was funny. It was like, okay, this person just has a really bad profile. They've got really bad looking teeth. Those are the normal suspects whenever we're meeting someone and talking with someone in person. But online dating, profiles, when we see them online, grammar is very important. So make sure to go through, do a spell check, read through it, talk and speak out loud when you're reading your own profile. Make sure maybe have someone else check this because you don't want bad grammar. Now, this next bad habit, I kind of let the cat out of the bag, but that is poor oral hygiene. So you got to take care of your teeth. Go to the dentist. If you get up close with somebody and all of a sudden they open their mouth and they have just got gnarly looking cavity, just bad, the gums are going up there. That's something that, it's kind of off-putting. And then the smell, there are a lot of things that can go wrong with, let's just say, the teeth and the mouth. Take care of them. It's important. The next bad habit on my list that makes you unattractive, being stressed out. Guys, you've got to relax. You've got to take it easy. And I'm not saying being overly relaxed, but don't be stressed out. Your cortisol levels, that was the key. If you've got raised cortisol levels, a 2013 study out of Latvia showed that people can pick up on this. They didn't even know what they were looking for, but when they see a stressed out person with higher cortisol levels, they instantly rate them as less attractive. So this next bad habit that makes you ugly, guys, this one blew me away. It's based off a 2017 study coming out of Scotland. But basically, if you do not flex your creativity muscle, if you don't identify yourself as creative, you are going to be perceived as less attractive. In fact, all these other things that women normally find attractive, creativity could offset them, and all of a sudden it was someone they looked for. A very key indicator of someone that would make a long-term great partner, someone that they would seek out. So guys, make sure to flex that creativity muscle, because yes, it is something on a daily basis you can work to become more creative. So that's why I included it here. The next bad habit that makes you unattractive, not having a signature scent, not managing your own smell. Because guys, we all have a signature scent. Even if you wear nothing, you are still putting off a bit of odor. It is something that people will be able to pick up, especially if you don't shower, if you don't wash. And some people may think, oh, well, yeah, that's attractive. No, there's a reason why we use deodorant. Understand, it's a double-sided coin, because if you can have a great signature scent, you can properly use fragrance, find one that works with your natural fragrance, all of a sudden you actually can flip this and you can use it to your advantage. The next habit that makes you unattractive is accentuating your asymmetrical features with style. Let me explain. So symmetry, this is when the left and the right actually look exactly alike. And this is what we find naturally most attractive. If we see some guy and he's got a little bit of a sloping shoulder, or we see someone and one side of their face droops or is slightly different than the other. So what do you want to do? I'm not going to say that you can go back and change your gene structure. No, you can't do that. But what you can do is you can dress in a manner that it's not going to accentuate that difference. So if you buy a jacket and you notice one shoulder is lower than the other, get a little bit of extra padding there to offset that. Now, this is something that maybe you've never even noticed. So look at yourself in the mirror and make that determination, but make sure that you're not using style to your detriment and accentuating something you don't want to. Now, this next bad habit isn't just going to make you ugly, it's going to make you butt ugly. So be careful with this one. And that is if you are dishonest. If you lie, and if people know this, you instantly become a lot less attractive. This is based off a 2006 study, very similar to the earlier study I talked about over in China, where they had all these images and they had words attached to them. Well, whenever you had dishonesty, whenever you had liar attached to a person, your attraction levels just plummet. So make sure, do your best to be an honest person, okay? All right, gents, now it's your turn. I want to hear from you down in the comments. What makes somebody ugly? What is it that you find about certain people that just make them non-attractive? Men, women, I don't care. I want to hear from you guys down in the comments. And if you like this video, maybe share it, pass it around, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and go check out Tiege Hanley. Because I'm not lying. This is an amazing company that I'm proud that I'm part of their story. It's just an amazing journey, and I'm proud to be a part of it. I'm linking to them down in the description. If nothing else, go check out the deal that I've got for you guys. It's a great deal, the best you're going to find out there. And that's it. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. You guys want to see me apply some of the super serum? Okay, stand back. Okay, you only just a bit right there. Whoa, do you feel that? I mean, I swear, right through that camera, the power of Tiege Hanley shot through. Guys, don't be scared. This stuff is amazing. It's the real deal. I love this company, and I love the memes. Maybe some of the memes will pop up in the description or down in the comments in this video. Maybe, probably not too much, but it's great stuff. All right, guys, take care.